Hello, today we will guide you through how to use CoinMarketCap for crypto research. To get started, open your web browser and go to CoinMarketCap. This platform is widely used to look up cryptocurrency prices, rankings, and market data, so it can be a helpful starting point when you want to research a project more carefully. Once you are on the site, use the search function to find a cryptocurrency. For this example, we'll use Ethereum. Searching for a specific coin takes you to its dedicated page, where you can view important details all in one place. Using a well-known asset like Ethereum also makes it easier to understand how the layout works before you research other projects. When the Ethereum page opens, look toward the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find some of the most important high-level metrics, including its rank, market capitalization, and trading volume. The rank shows how the asset compares to other cryptocurrencies by market size. Market cap gives you a sense of the project's overall value in the market, while trading volume helps show how actively it is being bought and sold. These figures can give you a quick snapshot of how large and how liquid the asset is. Next, review the price chart to see how Ethereum has performed over time. This chart is useful because it helps you move beyond the current price and look at broader trends. You can often get a better feel for whether the asset has been rising, falling, or moving sideways. When doing research, it's helpful to view performance over different time ranges so you can understand both short-term movement and the bigger picture. After that, scroll down to look at the supply data and market statistics shown below the chart. This section can help you understand how much of the cryptocurrency currently exists and other useful market details tied to the asset. Supply information is especially important because it can affect scarcity and long-term valuation. Reviewing these statistics gives you more context than price alone. Finally, use the information you've gathered to evaluate the project before investing. Rather than making a decision based on hype or a quick price move, take time to consider the rank, market cap, trading volume, chart performance, and supply data together. Looking at all of these elements as a group can help you form a more balanced view of the project. That's the basic process for using CoinMarketCap for crypto research. With a few minutes of careful review, you can build a stronger foundation for making informed decisions.